my shampoo and conditioner. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and we are back at it again. Yes, it's a brand new day guys. If this is your first time tuning in, remember to subscribe, like, share, hit that post notification that you won't miss a video. So look at this guys, early morning up in the hills overlooking Montego Bay and Caribbean Sea. As you can see, we have a cargo ship coming in right there. Yeah, and we have another one in harbor. Yeah, last night there was a party done by Secret. Yeah, they set off some fireworks. Beautiful morning. I'm gonna take a early morning shower right here on my balcony in my nice quiet area right here. See how it's nice and private. Yeah, I don't feel like going in any of the showers. Yeah, I already put it on shower. The nozzle is on shower. Yeah, got my towel, got my bath rag, I got my body wash, shampoo and condition in one. So I'm just gonna take a early morning shower right on my balcony overlooking Montego Bay, and then I think I'm gonna have some soursop leaf tea or some fever grass, you know, depending which one I really feel for after I take my early morning bath. But guys, this is what my porch look like. I just recently set it up. Yeah, did a little painting, a little touch up. They are Jacqueline Smith today. Yeah, distributed by Kmart. Yeah, it's a 5 cushion chair. Yeah, that's what it looks like guys. That's what the setting look like. So I didn't put up the round table, but I just set up 2 chairs. And what happened, the round tables that I have, I'll just set it up like this. Yeah, and that's what I like, the ambience that it gives, and it blends in with the paint on the veranda. Yeah, I like it. Tell me what you think. Yeah, so you can see the color scape that I'm going with. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, red, white and brown, and dark brown, light brown. Yeah, cushions, floral looking like. Yeah, very comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable. Like it. Yeah, I can just sit right here, relax, looking off into the distance, looking over in Montego Bay. Beautiful. I'm gonna take a early morning shower and get my day started. Yeah. Yep. Rag right here. I need a new rag guys. Somebody can sponsor me a bath rag. Look at it. Holy. Yeah. Got some Japanese cherry blossom right here from Bath and Body Works. Yeah. Early morning shower guys. Early morning shower. Jamaica we call it bathe. Yeah, some people call it the shampoo and conditioner. Yeah. Nice guys, early morning. This is how I normally do it when I was a little boy growing up in the hills when we didn't have a shower. My father would just tie up a garden hose in a ackee tree that we have in the yard. It's still there, a very old ackee tree. So we tie up the hose on it, a bed or a shower underneath it. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. Montego Bay right there. You know? Well, a little private area right here on my balcony. Nobody can see me. I'm surrounded by my Morgan villa, my palm trees, bullet trees, creepers, and all that stuff. Nobody can see me. High enough. Yeah. Sun coming up over there already. Right on. Yeah. Shower. Yeah. Woo! Nice. That's it, guys. Turn off the water right here. We are good to go. Whew. Good to go. Nice. So yes guys, just had an early morning shower on my balcony overlooking beautiful Montego Bay. Early morning guys, early morning. Beautiful. It was nice and how should I say it? Rejuvenating. Yeah, that's the word. Nice and rejuvenating. Yeah. Early morning shower. Early morning outdoor shower on the veranda or balcony, any way you want to call it, overlooking beautiful Montego Bay. Yeah. Beautiful guys, beautiful. Yeah. So when I'm done now, when I finish, I'm just gonna take down the hose. Yeah, take it down, bring in my stuff, and I am good. But what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna be brewing some tea, whether it's soursop. I may do some soursop leaf or some, what do you call it, some fever grass tea. One of the sort, or I may do some jackana bush. Yeah, one out of the three I may do to make some tea. I did already put on the kettle, so next time you see me, guys, I will be brewing my fresh cup of tea up in the hills overlooking beautiful Montego Bay. Alright? Stay tuned. I'll be right back. So guys, I don't feel like having any soursop leaf tea or fever grass, but what I feel for is something that I haven't had in quite a while. Is a bush that they call Search Me Heart or Jack and a Bush. Two of them, Search My Heart or Jack and a Bush. So I just took my shower, but I was gonna make my tea, but man, I don't feel for no soursop leaf tea. I had some the other day already, and I said let me either get some Search My Heart or some Jack and a Bush. So I remember they grow wild down here, yeah, right below the house, yeah. So right here, this is the Jack and a Bush right here. This is the Jack and a Bush, yeah. So I can either do this one, yeah, either the Jack and a Bush, or we're gonna see if I find any Search My Heart. Here it is right here, guys. This is the Search Me Heart, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna get like 2 leaves. Yeah, 2 is good. Yeah, nice. And I think I'm gonna grab 2 Jack and a Bush leaves too, just to keep them in the house. That means if I'm ready, when I'm ready, I can have it nearby. So this is the Jack and a Bush right here. Just gonna get 2 leaves. Yeah, nice. So either the Jack and a Bush or the Search My Heart. So that's what I'm gonna use to make some tea. So see you back up on my porch when I will be brewing my tea, guys. The last time I had this Search My Heart is when I was a little boy. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna try some this morning, yeah, and you know, let it seep for maybe a minute and enjoy my nice brew cup of tea while I'm looking over on Montego Bay and the Caribbean Sea. Alright, so I got my hot water right here, I got my tea mug, I got my sugar, yeah, and my little spoon, yeah, and my Jack and a Bush, right, my Search My Heart leaf right here. So what I'm gonna do to make the steeping process go quickly, I'm gonna crush up the leaves, like crush them up, and you know, so that they can steep more quicker. Crush it up like this, yeah. In the cup, yeah, like that. Yeah, and then I'm gonna pour my hot water over it like this, yeah, yeah, and then I'm gonna be adding my sugar, yeah, stir it up. You can already smell it, guys. It smells so beautiful. Then I'm gonna cover it up and let it seep for a minute or 2. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna be having my nice cup of tea while I just relax for a minute and look off in Montego Bay right there. Yeah. So now, guys, my tea is steep, guys. My freshly brewed Search My Heart leaf tea. Wow, bring back memory, guys. It bring back memories, man. Yeah, unbelievable. Wow. Yeah. That is it right there. That is it. That is it. That is it right there. Search my heart. Leaf tea. Wow. Wow. Bring back memory, guys. Bring back memory. What type of bird is that? Oh, that looks like a chicken. Wow. That sounds like a crow right there. Where are you guys going so early, man? You guys looking for food? Yeah. But yes, guys. But anyway, yeah. So I got a early morning shower. I had an early morning bathe. Yeah. Just made a nice, just brewed a nice cup of Search My Heart tea. Yeah, it was very nice. Bring back memories, touchy spot. Well, yeah, guys, so now I'm about to get my day started. So, guys, guess what? You have yourself a positive day. Good stuff. Let nothing take away your peace for today or this afternoon or tonight. Always maintain a cool composure. And never forget this, guys. Nothing is impossible, man. Nothing is impossible. See this what you see up on the hill right here. This house what you see up on the hill right here. Yeah, it's a one day at a time process and a committed focus. So when you're committed to your focus and you take it one day at a time, nothing is impossible, man. When you believe in the master, believe in the creator, you believe in God, nothing is impossible. Yeah, look at that. I'm up in the hills overlooking beautiful Montego Bay. I remember there was a guinea tree right here. I would climb it and sit on one of the limbs looking over in Montego Bay. But now the guinea tree has died, and now a house is here. I'm sitting on my porch now, overlooking into Montego Bay. Nothing is impossible, guys. Believe in it. Believe in your dreams. And even when people don't believe what you are doing, if people don't believe in what you're doing, if people don't stand by what you're doing, that doesn't mean what you're doing is wrong. Believe in what you believe in. You don't need people to really validate what you're doing in life. Your dream is your dream. Your vision is your vision. Bless you. Yeah, true word in Jamaica. When you sneeze, yes, and you have it within a conversation, they say it's true word. So believe in your dreams, guys. Let nothing deter you from accomplishing your goals. Yeah, building this house, there was a lot of obstacles. Still a lot of obstacles. Still a lot of doubters. But along the way, Father God has been by my side, helping me along the journey for that, which I'm entirely grateful. Father God, good. So guys, be blessed, be safe, be prosperous, and you have yourself a productive one until I see you again on the next journey, guys. You have yourself a peaceful, tranquil one. All right, from Managed Robinson TV, blessings. Where are you guys going so early, man? You guys looking for food? Yeah.